Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really exciting video that I have been putting off doing since Christmas because I actually got the Makeup Revolution Soph palette, which is by Sophdoesnails here on YouTube, and I'm going to be using it for the first time and giving you guys my 100% honest opinion. Yeah, a little like review slash mini tutorial, and this is actually a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, so even if you're like not interested in hearing my review, you should definitely keep watching if you want a really like simple and cute Valentine's Day makeup idea. And if you aren't already subscribed, please do click the subscribe button. I'd love to have you in my family, and click the bell button if you already are subscribed so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video, right? Yeah, okay. She doesn't want to be in the video, it's fine. But yeah, let's just hop right on into the video. So as you can see in the title, I'm going to be doing a first impression slash review of this eyeshadow palette. It is Sophdoesnails here on YouTube that has created this makeup palette together with Makeup Revolution. I'm not sponsored, I actually got this for Christmas and I've been waiting all the way until now. So I'm super excited to use these colours. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and I absolutely love the packaging because the mirror is like one of the biggest mirror, I think it's the biggest mirror I have in a eyeshadow palette, and it's just perfect. But I'm just gonna do like what I would do if I was going to like a party, or if I just want to look my best. Then I love using warm tones, and that is what I'm gonna do with this palette. I think I'm gonna use like the pinkies and like the red over there and just like the warm shades because I absolutely love those. So let's just get started, I guess. Oh, and this is how the like cardboard packaging looks. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's 24 eyeshadows in here. So yeah, I can't believe I haven't used this yet. Let's just try it. So I'm gonna start with a transition shade, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here, and I'm just applying this on a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use this as a transition shade. I'm gonna use this lighter pink right here. So far I really love the pigmentation of these. I'm just gonna kind of apply that in the crease. So now I'm gonna go in with this like bright shade here, and I'm just gonna apply this straight into my crease. I'm just going to blend that line out. Now I'm taking this deep pinky shade, pinky red, on this same brush, and I'm applying this to my outer corner, and I'm just going to bring that in a tiny bit. And now I'm just going to blend that. I'm just going to mix these two shades, and I'm going to apply this above and just blend these into each other. I'm going in with that same dark colour, and I'm just going to apply this in the crease. Okay, and on my lid I'm going to go with this pinky shimmery shade, and I'm just going to apply this to like the inner corner of my lid and the centre. Wow, this is so glittery and pretty. That's gorgeous. And you can layer it. Under my lid I'm going in with the deep red, the outer half. I mean the deep pink, definitely not red. So now I'm just going to go in and tightline my eyes. So I couldn't find a black eyeliner, but I found this really old MAC purple liner, so I'm just going to apply this. And yes, I know it's not cruelty free because it's MAC, but it's literally such an old eyeliner and I don't have any other ones here, so just got to use what I got to use. But I'm going to apply my mascara right now. Oh my god, it would be so cute to actually use this pink eyeliner. Maybe it wouldn't be cute, but I'd like to try it. I don't know if it will ruin the look though. It could make it or break it, but since this has turned into a Valentine's Day look, why not just try it, because it is a pink eyeliner and I think it could look cute, could ruin it, but if it ruins it, just remember that the look was cute before I added the eyeliner. Kind of cool, I guess. Kind of don't like how it looks now, but I think it might look better when I put my mascara on, so I'm just gonna do that now. Don't you just love these brushes? They're so cute. So I'm just gonna be using my Better Than Sex mascara because I don't know, I just want to use it. I'm listening to my audio book for school because I can't be able to read it. So now I'm going to apply a highlight shade to my brow bone, and I'm just going to be using this like goldy colour right here. Now it's time for lipstick, and I think I'm going to go quite neutral just because my eyes, there's quite a lot going on at my eye area, or in my eye area, so I'm just going to take like a simple light lip, and I'm just going to be using one of my recent favourite lip combos. I actually got this for Christmas. It is the Buxom lip combo, so we've got the gloss in Blushing Margarita. It's just like a really nice light, kind of a little bit plumping gloss, not too much, and then we've got the lip pencil in Plump Line, it's called. Maybe this plumps as well, I'm not sure about that, but this is in the shade Stealth. So it's a light lip colour. So I'm just going to slightly overline my upper lip. And now I'm just going to apply the gloss over that. So that is the finished makeup look, and because this was a first impressions, I'm just going to talk about how I like this palette, and as you could probably tell, I really enjoyed it. I think the pigments showed up really nicely, and I love the colour selection. You can make so many different looks. I thought the colours were blendable, and they were just like the right amount of buildability, if that makes sense. Like you could really build them up if you wanted to. So I really like them, and I actually surprisingly hardly had any fallout. Like it was the glittery shade that I can kind of see now. There's a lot of glitter down here on my cheek, but that was the only shade that kind of did fall out. I know a lot of amazing eyeshadows have fallout, like the Anastasia, and it isn't too much. Like I can definitely handle it. So yeah, I really like this palette, and I definitely recommend it because for the price you're getting 24 beautiful shades that are very high quality. And again, this hasn't been sent to me or anything. I just wanted to like give you my honest opinion, because a lot of you might be wondering like whether or not to get it, but I definitely think that it is so worth your money, 100%. I just broke my nail actually. So yeah, that was this look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you thought about the palette and if you're going to be getting it or anything, and also leave video requests because I would love to get some new video requests. This is my first video, like my main channel video, filming since I got 100k, and I'm just so thankful. I'm definitely going to be doing a giveaway. Yes, I really hope you enjoyed this look. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Here are the shout outs for today's video. I love you all so much. You are the reason that I can do what I love and create content, which is like my favourite thing in the world. So thank you for supporting me. You are all the bomb.com. That was a really lame thing to say, but yeah. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!